Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create an account on Plenty of Fish app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead first, open up your Plenty of Fish app on your phone, and now simply allow, tap on create account and simply enter your name, tap on let's go, tell us who you are, tap on next again and pick what best fits you. Asian, tap on next, enter your birth date, tap on done, tap on next, select your country, provide the city name of yours and tap on next. Now enter your email, tap on return, tap on next again, simply choose suggest a username, password. Once you have done so, tap on next, save password, tap on let's go again. And there we go. We're gonna simply accept it. We're gonna simply enter out our details regarding who we wanna date, what we're looking for, tap on next, and simply edit out the details as it has asked. It will make it easier for you to find the perfect match, and you're good to go. You can scroll, you can go ahead, get into your account and do whatever you want. So that is how we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys on our next video.